Imagine the height of the train. These are buildings, so
Look at orange. Look at orange.
you can imagine.
Wow.
Wow.
Some people are taking here.
This train is big, but if you are looking at it, you think it's small. Taking us to Marina in Lagos. Wow. Another one, another train is just passing. Take and take, let me take. Don't block it with your finger. You're not blocking it. The train is taking us to Marina in Lagos right now. It's very, very high. In fact, you know, I have phobia for heights. That's why my mind is not at rest at all. I can't pretend to.
Look at that. And people are walking.
See this. Is this sea or river? I don't know what to call it.
It's
You
a,
know that Lagos is always
Yes.
surrounded by water.
it's a sea.
We are still inside the train. We are still inside the train.
The train is telling us about water.
We are still inside the train. Inside the train. We are going to Marina. We just left National Theatre, Jesus Christ. Going around this sea. I'm really
Look at the train. Look at the train. Look at the train. Look at the train. Shout.
this train is bending. Oh my God, make it safely. See the main sea here. You can imagine. See the sea.
Look at sheep.
Look at ship
Where
there.
is it?
Look at that ship inside the
Where?
inside this big river.
Say, look at the main one here. Look at sheep.
But it's not block me with your head.
This
This
is
thing you're seeing here is river. This is river and that is ship
Look
over
at the
there.
bridge. Something that
Jesus
is
Christ.
Jesus. This is
We're still inside the train. Jesus Christ, I'm so afraid. Yes. Jesus saved my life. Jesus, I'm so afraid. I have phobia for this kind of thing. This is train. Train just passed us now. And this is really our experience. You can imagine people are inside this river with their small boat and someone that's even looking at it and catching good. Feeling somehow looking at it. People are still inside it. We are still going. We are still inside the train. We have not reached the Marina station where the train is supposed to stop. Still inside. Okay. We are about to, the train is about to stop. Stopping small. It's now moving slowly. It's moving slowly. Finally, we are at Marina. Yes, so it's about to start. Finally, we are here.
I don't think
they
I'm
can
going
get me. Finally, we are here.
I don't think we're going to come back.
Eh? We're not going to come back.
You're not going to. I don't think I'm going to come down now. Are you coming down?
That's the train that we just came out from. That's the train we just alighted from. That's the train we just came out from. That's the train we just came out from. It's moving again.